Hi guys and welcome back. Today is an exciting day. We're off to Leicester to pick up some V8 loveliness. So we've got about a 2-hour journey and I'll show you when we get there. Enjoy the video. Service station ever. Look at it.
2 hours later.
Hey. Wheels are folded up.
Much later.
So this is my 1998 Jaguar XK8 and I think she's a beauty. I think she's one of the cleanest out there because I've looked at a lot of them that are suffering from a lot of tin worm, but this is 99.9% rust free. As you can see from all the panels, it's in near perfect condition. She's only done 67,000 miles and she's done all her mileage in the early years and then pretty much been a garage queen most of the rest of her life. She's got a 4-litre V8 engine. It's had a full service and it's got a clean MOT with no advisories. So I think I picked a winner here. You can really see from the lines of the XK8, it echoes some of the previous sports cars that Jaguar made, such as the C-Type, the E-Type, and even the XJ220. If you look at the rubbing strip down the side of the doors, it's the same as the XJ220. So from this angle, you can kind of tell how it reflects the E-type Jag curves. So I was watching another YouTuber's channel, and I think it was called Jeff Buys Cars, and he's got a Jaguar XK8 the same, and his problem, he had a coolant issue that sort of, this pipe burst and it sprayed coolant all over the engine. And the problem was, and this top tip is his idea, but it made me come and look at mine, and see this lip here? I've had to, like he has, filed it down because it was to a point and it was rubbing into this pipe. Now when I looked at mine, sure enough there was an indentation, but it hadn't gone through. So I improvised the same as he did with a little bit of black insulation tape and a rubber sponge. You can just make it out under there as a little bit of protection against this lip after I filed it down, because obviously I caught it in time, otherwise I would have had the same issue. So a top tip for XK8 owners, have a look at this pipe, and if you've got that problem sorted out, do this. It's not sort of to Jaguar specification, but it's their design fault anyway. They shouldn't have designed it this way. Anyway, the Jaguar XK8 holds a special place in automotive history, marking a significant transition for Jaguar and heralding the arrival of a new era of performance and luxury. Introduced at the prestigious Geneva Motor Show in March 1996, the XK8 made an immediate impact with its sleek design, powerful engine, innovative technology. The XK8 represented a pivotal moment for Jaguar, as it marked a replacement of its iconic XJS and signalled a departure from the marque's traditional design language, boasting elegant lines and muscular stance. The XK8 captured the essence of Jaguar's heritage while embracing modern styling cues. At the heart of the XK8 lay the all-new Jaguar AJ-V8 engine, a groundbreaking power plant that marked Jaguar's return to the realm of 8-cylinder models since the days of the Daimler 250. This sophisticated engine, combined with refined performance, exhilarating acceleration, and smooth, responsive driving experience. Throughout its production run, the XK8 underwent several updates and enhancements, further cementing its reputation as a premier Grand Tourer. From the introduction of the XKR variant with a supercharged performance to the refinement of the interior amenities, pushed the boundaries of automotive excellence. Despite its enduring popularity and acclaim, the XK series eventually reached the end of its production in July 2014. Over the course of nearly 2 decades, the XK8 had left an incredible mark on the automotive landscape. Each iteration of the XK8 pushed the boundaries of automotive excellence. Today, the Jaguar XK8 remains a sought-after classic, cherished by enthusiasts such as me and collectors alike for its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and enduring legacy as a true icon of engineering. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like. Please comment down below because it really helps with pushing the video out there. And I'll be back real soon. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Rusty Restos.